Hi guys, today we will see a rotate command, especially that reference option inside rotate command. So we will take the command rotate. RO is the short key for rotate command. RO. Now this is asking, software is asking to select the object. So let me select the object. Once it is finished, please give enter. Then the command will change to specify base point. Now the system is asking us to specify the base point where the object has to be rotated. That means it is asking for an axis where the object has to be rotated. Here in this case I am giving this as my base point. This is the base point, end point of this midpoint or end point or whatever of this line is I am taking as my base point. Okay. Now we can see if we click here, it will be rotated in 180 degree. If we click here, it will be rotated in 270 degree. But see, if I click here, it will rotate 90 degree. Once again we will take the command. See, now this will be rotated, or else I can give the angle 270 degree by typing and can give enter to rotate that object. So the object has rotated in that particular axis with the angle what I have given. We will see when we take the command, we will select the object, then enter. Once we give the base point, we will have two other options inside the command window. You can see here there is an option called copy and there is an option called reference. So this copy is, we will see what copy stands for. I am taking copy. Okay. And I am now see the original object is there itself and the copy of the object is rotating. See, the copy of the object is rotating. If I give 90 degree, the copy of that object will be, original object will be kept there. The copy of a new copy is been generated and it is rotated in 90 degree. Okay. So this is the copy option inside the command stands for. Okay. We will see the other option, reference. Select the object, finish. So let me take this as my base point. So now the copy is not active because here we have not selected the option copy. We will see the option reference. Okay. Now this object has to be rotated in line with the line which is drawn here. So what I required is this line in this object should be in parallel with this line. For that, the command is asking for the reference angle. So my intention is to keep this line in parallel with this line. So my reference angle is the angle of this line. So I am showing my angle by picking 2 points on that line. So I am picking first point here, second point here. Okay. So I have given the reference angle. Now it is asking specify the new angle. If I know the angle of this line, I can directly give there, no problem. But I don't know what is the angle of this line. So I am taking the options points within that bracket. Okay. And specifying the first point. So I am clicking the first point of this line, second point of this line. If you see, now the object is aligned in parallel with the line with respect to the base point what we have picked here. So we have picked the base point somewhere here. So that object has rotated in parallel to this line with reference to the base point we have picked. Try yourself and practice well. Thorough the command. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe us for more videos.